Hey guys, Henry here and welcome to my channel. And today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of the Nokia 8 and we'll be talking about my impressions of it. So without wasting much time, let's get right to it. Okay, so straight out of the box you have the phone, some USB Type-C cable and a wall adapter. That's fast charging, by the way. A SIM ejector too, and some paperwork, some Nokia stuff, and the earpiece, which obviously means this phone has a headphone jack. On the side of cosmetics, this phone has an aluminium back or body and then a Gorilla 5 screen, which is kind of durable. You can drop it, but then I won't be doing any test drops on this channel. I leave that to other channels to do that. And it's running on Android 7, and I'm very impressed how close to Android stock Android that Nokia got to. On the side of specs, this phone is powered by a Snapdragon 835 processor, which has 4 gigs of RAM and then a 64 gig of internal storage. And then it's powered by 3 13 megapixel cameras. That's 2 on the back, then 1 on the front. Then they are Zeiss or Carl Zeiss. And then it has one other thing which is considered more of a Hollywood kind of thing. It's in the camera. That's the Ozo sounds. You are able to get a 360 sound recording from the camera. I think I'll be able to demo it in this impression, but then I'll be sure to test it more in my full review coming in the following days. That's pretty much it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be one of the first people to be notified when I do upload my full review on this smartphone. And yeah, don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below and then things you'd like to know about the device in my full video. So yeah, see you in the next one. In my opinion, you'd think they are making their own Pixel phones or Nexus phones. So I don't know, Nokia Pixel or Nokia Nexus, however you would like to call it.